Right, we're here today with our new 1-barrel MB UNITANK. We offer this in two different configurations. One, the single jacket, and then second with the outer layer jacket that has insulation between those two. Some pretty cool features of this unit because it comes with temperature probe. This is a carbonation stone, a racking arm, bottom outlet, and sample valve. All right, so this has a racking arm here that can be rotated on a Teflon gasket. We just wanted to show you what this looks like on the inside. And the carbonation stone is located here. You can see we use a large scale carb stone that makes it easy to carbonate in the tank. Right, so the top of the MB 1-barrel tank has some unique features as well. This is a 12-inch TC clamp. Pretty beefy, but it gives you really good access in to be cleaning this by hand or with one of our CIP valves. Secondly, this is the blow off. Instead of using a fixed down tube, we just run to a barb. This is a request that we learned from breweries over time, small ones especially, that it's just easier to run a piece of silicone tubing into a bucket instead of having a stand tube that you've got to actually clean by hand. Then we've got a pressure gauge up here. This is oil filled and it's sealed. That's really important so it never clogs with corrosion, so you're always getting an accurate pressure reading. And then a 15 PSI or 1 bar blow-off safety PRV valve. And we've got built in a little bit of extra functionality. We have a 4-inch and then an 1.5 inch TC built into this 12-inch lid, so you can do different things. You might take only the 4-inch off to add hops. You might use a hop bong on the 1.5 inch. You could run any type of extra fitting that you wanted to via this really flexible lid.